A barrister is causing quite a stir after speaking out against sexism she experienced on LinkedIn. Hi, I'm John for Buzz60, and 27-year-old Charlotte Prowman's words went viral after she tweeted about an uncomfortable online exchange. The British human rights lawyer and PhD candidate called out Alexander Carter Silk, a 57-year-old solicitor from Brown Rudnick, for allegedly making comments about her physical appearance. She shared a screenshot of Carter Silk's alleged message, which reads, "I appreciate that this is probably horrendously politically incorrect, but you definitely won the prize for the best LinkedIn picture I have ever seen." So she responded telling him to think twice before sending another woman half your age such a sexist message. Carter Silk released a statement to Roll on Friday saying his comment was aimed at the professional quality of the presentation on LinkedIn. Prowman has received dozens of tweets from women sharing their stories of handling sexism in professional spaces. She even wrote an op-ed for The Independent after being called a feminazi on the cover of the Daily Mail in a column titled, "If a man can't compliment a woman, the human race is in deep trouble." And when headlines like that still exist in 2015, they may be right. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.